Hi, my name is Colin Anderson, Customer Care Representative for Rohit Communities. Today we will be reviewing the new home warranty and the maintenance. So let's get started. GFCI outlets are located throughout your home in areas you may likely come in contact with water, including your kitchen, bathrooms, and the exterior of your home. It shuts the circuit down immediately, protecting you from electrical shock. If a GFCI outlet is tripped, simply press the reset button to restore power to the outlet once the area is dry.